What is good, YouTube? I know what you're thinking. Blue background, what's going on? I did a thing. This looks so cute. I'll just let you guys watch it. You guys will figure out what I'm doing. I'll let you guys watch it.
Shut yourself out. Follow me on Instagram, stylesbyKC_. KCI.
Which will be in the description box below. Anything else you want to shout out? Your Instagram, you already did Instagram, your Snapchat, Twitter.
My Snapchat is KC_Amor. So yeah, KACY_Amor.
So as you guys can see, she is just parting and braiding my hair. I actually do know her. We went to middle school together, so I hadn't seen her since I graduated middle school. I'm now in college, so it's been years since we've seen each other, but I saw that she makes wigs on Instagram, and I just decided, you know, my first wig, old friend, why not try it? So I'll get back to you at the next stage. Y'all, I look like a peanut. Comment down below, hashtag Team Peanut. Like, look at my head. But, all her information will be down in the description down below. If you guys want to know her information, you guys want to hit her up, you know, all her stuff will be down below. So it's finally time for me to put my baby on. Y'all, I am excited, beyond excited to put on this wig. Look, look.
sucks, period. Okay, so that's how your hair is supposed to look, period, when you get your wigs done. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay. So I'm gonna leave her stuff in the description below. Y'all go hit her up so y'all can make y'all wigs. So
Yes.
don't go to Amazon. They not your friend. I went to Amazon. They not my friend. It's fine. Boom. How many inches? I think it was like
18 inches, the longest in. Period. Can't even see off camera.
Off
Yep.
camera.
Yep.
Like
All
yeah.
human hair.
Okay, I'm done, y'all. I'll do too much. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to go down to the description below to get her Instagram, her information, because they'll all be there. Follow her on Snapchat, Instagram, on InSpace, Twitter. We'll figure it out. All her social medias. And I'll see you in the next video.